Who are those guys?
That was Ferdinand and Caitlin and Henry and Thomas and Toby and Scruff. There's Mr. Perkins. Mama.
Isn't he so funny?
Yes, he is.
You have a big train collection, buddy.
Thanks, Mama. Thanks, Mama. That's a big line of trains.
Sure is. Look at that. I see a lot of crap.
No, you're going to ruin your face.
It's okay. Look, I'm so worried about all this crash. What will you do? What happened?
The Island of Sodor.
Huh? What happened?
The railway broke.
No.
The wind broke the Island of Sodor.
What broke the Island of Sodor?
The wind.
The wind did? How will we fix it?
I don't know.
Is the wind still breaking it?
Mhm. Boom. Boom. Crash.
Oh no, the poor trains, they're getting all broken in the wind. Who will repair them?
I don't know, Mama. Kevin will.
Kevin will? Oh good, I'm glad there's someone who can repair them.
You go here, Eagles. You here, Eagles. We have to go here. We have to go to some workers who wants to fix you. And you go here, Ferdinand. And you go here, Belle. Oh no, no floating. That was not a work. That was a boat.
Uh-oh.
Oh no, they're going to miss there? I love that show, Mama. Thanks, Mama.
You like watching Thomas?
Just like my comics. Just like my other comics.
Mm-hmm.
They match.
What kind is that?
It's a broken comic. I broke this one because I didn't let them go.
Oh no.
I'm sorry, Mom.
It's okay.